Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you all staying hydrated? Because I am. Life update, I have moved to Bombay and today I'm going to show you my apartment tour. It's going to be the empty apartment tour. Right now I am at Cat's place and we're going to head from here to my apartment. It's really cool that I finally shifted. I was staying in Chandigarh before this and past few months have been very exhausting and amazing because I traveled so much to Abu Dhabi, I went to Bali, and now I am in Bombay. I am shifting to my own apartment. I have been in love with my hair recently. I've been so healthy, but let me tell you something. Just a day before, my hair looked something like this. That's true. I love indulging in new experiences, but my hair, they often end up paying the price. And exposure, me being a water baby and always being the sea, left my hair feeling so dull, dry and frizzy. And to add to that, I started having a lot of hair loss. That is exactly why I'm always on the lookout for products that are going to help me. So you can definitely imagine my excitement when I discovered this game changer product, L'Oreal Professional Aminex Advanced Serum. The serum has helped me to reduce hair fall and it has become an essential part of my daily hair care routine. So today I'm going to show you how it has helped me regain my confidence and made my hair look fuller. Step 1. Part your hair into 4 sections. Spray the Aminex Advanced Serum for a few times in each section. Step 2. Gently massage the serum into your scalp with your fingertips and leave it on overnight. Here is a pro tip. Leave it on overnight after you complete your in-shower routine for optimal effects. The results have been incredible. Not only has the Aminex serum reduced my hair loss, but it has also reinforced the fiber, giving me a fuller and stronger hair. And the best part is I started noticing difference in just 6 weeks. If you're like me, struggling with hair loss, I highly recommend giving L'Oreal Professional's Aminex serum a try. Now that my hair are looking and feeling great, I'm quickly gonna go change and then I'm gonna show you my new apartment. I'm so excited. मैं पहुंच गई हूँ और the best part about this apartment is the lighting. और यहाँ पे शोर भी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's a little hot though. I'm gonna turn. I love the lighting here. Like I could. This is. I was just shocked कि मेरे घर कौन आ गया. मेरे घर कौन आ गया. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful it is. So, let me just start with the hall. So as I open the door, बिल्कुल मेरे बाल सामने is my beautiful little living room. I'm gonna show you the living room. This is what my living room looks like. Bro, the reason I got this apartment was because of the tiles. I love the tiles. They're so pretty. It looks like I'm in Goa. अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ इतना सामान है. Like literally I've shifted with this amount of stuff. But this is how it looks. This is the hall area. I am gonna set up something really nice and pretty around here. And yeah. The lighting is also very good. I love the lighting. Like I'm just thinking how much you can really make the time I can shoot here. Love it for me. Love this for me. So now that we're done with the empty hall, we're gonna move across my tiny area. This is a little space there which I'm going to convert into my dining area. I'm going to sit here, feed my beautiful friends food, and it also closes. So if I have some guests over, this can also like transition into a guest bedroom. So if I close this, we have privacy. My guests, they have privacy. If my mom and dad, they come, I can, of course, if my mom and dad comes, I'm gonna make them sleep in my room and sleep in their room instead. I'm also gonna ask everyone to remove their shoe hair because I don't wanna be cleaning this floor rows. So yeah, that is that. I love it, bro. This is so nice. The natural light. I love the amount of natural light this apartment is getting. Like, oh my goodness, look. Love this for me, yes. Yeah, I can put a little sitting space there. So that's nice, love that for me. So this is my kitchen. It's a nice big kitchen. I'm gonna show you. Wait. This is what my kitchen looks like. It comes with a lot of cabinets, which is nice. मुझे ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं खर्च करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे मैं अपने सारे मसाले रखने वाली हूँ. That is the place where I'm gonna keep my purifier, my dishes, wash my dishes here. Gonna put them here, and I'm thinking of putting something here. This is a little defected. This was supposed to be like this, but I think वो टूट चुका है. So I think I'm just gonna get some pasties from Amazon and stick here so it doesn't look this messy. This is for a washing machine, which I'm not gonna get right now because पैसा बहुत खर्च हो रहा है, guys. This is my freezer place, and again, like I told you, I'm gonna make a little sitting space here. And then we have a little mirror. This apartment comes with a little mirror, and I'm not gonna show you my washroom. Why would you wanna see? I'm just gonna show you. This is my beautiful washroom. I don't even know why I'm not touring my washroom to you, but the cool thing is I can take a shower while having a nice view. See, I have a view even when I'm taking a shower, so that's nice. Bombay में बहुत मुश्किल से बाहर अच्छी चीज़ें देखने को मिलती है. So this is gonna be my cabinet where I store most of my stuff, washing stuff, and this is my little washroom. Nothing is different, but I love how much light it has. Just look at the amount of light my washroom has. Bro, मैं तो अब रोज vlog करूँगी क्योंकि lighting इतनी कमाल है यहाँ पे. मैं क्या बताऊँ तुम्हें. देखिए, very pretty. I haven't even opened my bag right now. So funny. And now to the most. This is my favorite place in the entire room, which is my room. Wow, my voice is echoing, and I love how much silence it has. I think it's also because it's empty and it has no furniture. But yeah, I think this I'm gonna try cleaning, and if it doesn't get clean, I'm gonna figure something out. Yeah, I have to figure something out. I need it to be clean. I am in love. Teen is calling me. Sorry guys, I got a phone call. I'm gonna show you my room now. My favorite place. I mean, it's really nice. I love my room. It has such good lighting. Look at the lighting. Look at the lighting. Oh my goodness, who is this pretty ass person? This beautiful ass room. It's me. I love it so much. Oh god, the lighting is so nice. I just want to stand under the light. My voice is echoing right now because the entire place is empty, and it's just मेरा बहुत गाने का मन कर रहा because my voice is like. But look at it. This is so pretty. I look so pretty. The lighting of this home is so pretty. I'm so excited to move in here. So excited to move in. I think I'm gonna make this a spot where I shoot all my makeup video. Get ready with me. And you could probably notice I have the window right in front of my face. So when I open this window, this is what I see. This is what I see when I open the window. It is a school. I have a school facing right next here, so I'm gonna see a lot of kids studying. But this is what my room looks like. I love the windows. Love it. Love this for me. We've got one more beautiful window in here. I'm gonna open it for you all. Look at it. How pretty it is. Love it. Love the color of this thingy. ये थोड़ा सा खराब हो चुका है, probably because my landlord tried to fix all of this, but it's fine. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. It's absolutely good, and I can listen to so many birds. मैं यहाँ पे चाय पी सकती हूँ अपनी यहाँ पे मस्त tea spot, and this window also opens. I think इसे ज़्यादा खोलते नहीं हैं क्योंकि I have to clean this entire place. Oh, yeah. I can open this window also. It's nice. I have 3 good huge windows in here which provides me ample of light, which I absolutely love. I'm super excited to make this apartment look like a home. I'm very happy. I'm so happy. Only if you could know how happy I am. I'm trying to see how this storm closes and I'm failing miserably. I'm gonna keep you all down for a while. Close the window. I'm gonna close all the windows. Abhi life has been very busy right now. I'm not even joking with you when I say it's been very busy. I've been traveling so much, I've been working so much, which is very nice. I love working and traveling. Just close it and then talk to you. Yeah. I love doing both of the things. I love working. I love traveling. Those are my favorite things to do. But yeah, besides that, I just feel like अभी मैं commitments आपको नहीं दे पाऊँगी कि अरे I'm gonna post 7 videos a week, because I won't be able to do that. It's very unrealistic. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you and say I'm going to be posting 7 times a week. क्योंकि मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी झूठे बातें करना मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. It's just I know I won't be able to be the person who posts 7 times a week. Maybe I will in the future, but अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा. अभी मुझे इतना काम करने को. I have to furnish this place and I have to shoot while I furnish the place, and yeah, a lot of things going on right now, and I'm very excited for all of them. But thank you so much for tuning in. This is the end of the vlog. I think I might start my singing career from this apartment. I'm so cringe. I also have a Bali जो छन कर रहा है. My friend gifted this to me. बाली नहीं बोलता है, इसे anklet बोलता है और इसे पायल बोलता है. बाली क्या होता है बंदी का? बाली कान में लगाने वाला होता है. But anyways, this is my pink bag जो मैं अपने दोस्त से चोरी करके लाई हूँ. थैंक यू प्रतिभा. मेरे पास बैग नहीं था क्योंकि मैं बहुत कम सामान लाई हूँ अपने साथ. अभी बाकी सब कुछ पास हो रहा है और 1 हफ्ता लगेगा बाकी सब चीज़ें आपको आने के लिए. सो या दैट इज दैट. I am so excited. I can't wait to sleep in this place. I just cannot wait to sleep in this place. And bye. I think I should probably shut the fuck up now. And I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, I think I should shut the fuck up now. I'm gonna see you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have to go to an event. I'm getting late. I need to go for a Samsung event. My friends are waiting for me. Everyone is waiting for me, and I'm shooting a video. See, this is how much I'm committed to filming this whole apartment ka filming the empty apartment vlog. But yeah, again, thank you so much for tuning in. ये मैं 1000 बार ही बोल चुकी हूँ. And I'm gonna see you soon. And all of us together, we're gonna make this place a little house where we can chit chat, talk shit about our lives, do a lot of makeup, travel a lot, and grow a lot. I love you all. मैं कभी मुझे ना मेडिटेट करना शुरू कर देना चाहिए. चलो मैं जा रही हूँ अब. Bye, love you. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.